How to change username on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I'll show you guys how you can change your username on Twitter. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure that you have X application, that means Twitter application installed on your device and you are logged in into your account. Now open your X application and click on your profile at the top left corner. Again click on settings and support and again tap on settings and privacy. Now you will be appear to the settings of your account. From the different options, click on your account option. Finally, you will be directed to this homepage where you can see 4 different options. Click on the first option that says account information. Now click on the username and from here you can change your username as your wish. Once you are okay with your username, finally click on done option and your username will be updated on your Twitter account. So that's it. In this easy and simple way, you can change the username on your Twitter account. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.